Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to view and edit keyboard shortcuts on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To view keyboard shortcuts, simply press Ctrl, Search and S. This will open keyboard shortcuts window. From here you can simply check your shortcuts. Also you can view by categories. Now to edit your keyboard shortcuts, simply select the action, then click on Edit option. Now here click on pen icon. Say for example, I want to change open and close launcher shortcut. Simply press the keyboard combination, then click on done. Here you can see I have changed keyboard shortcut to open and close launcher. Simply press the keyboard shortcut and it will open the launcher. Now if you want to reset the shortcut, then click on this edit icon, click on restore default, then click on done. This will restore the keyboard shortcut. However, if you want more keyboard settings, then simply click on keyboard settings option, click on customize keys, and here you'll find option to select action for each keys. Say for example, if your Chromebook does not have caps lock key, then you can simply assign search key to caps lock. For that, from the drop-down menu, simply select the action. Now whenever you press search key, it will turn on caps lock feature. Similarly, you can change other keyboard action. So that's it. This is how you can view and edit keyboard shortcuts on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.